Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to remove the color from an object in Bambu Lab Studio. Whether you're prepping your model for printing or just experimenting with design, this guide will help you achieve that clean, monochrome look. Let's get started. First thing, you must click on the object. Go up to the color picker. We hit the minus button and to reduce all the colors to 1. And then we hit return, and that has removed all the colors, including the purge tower. That's how we remove the color from an object in Bambu Lab Studio. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy designing.